Your car brake and gas pedals are probably 10 times dirtier than your steering wheel. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to clean those pedals quickly, and by the end of this video, your pedals will look factory new.
After removing the floor mats, place old towels under the pedals to protect the carpets and keep them dry. Now, you may have noticed by the timer that I've sped the video up through this cleaning process. Spray Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner generously onto your pedals. Don't be shy. This stuff cuts through years of buildup on both the rubber and the metal. I've included links to all the products I use in the description below. And don't forget the dead pedal and a towel underneath that dead pedal to protect that carpet. Now here's the secret. After 30 seconds, when you're letting the cleaner do its job, use an old toothbrush to scrub in circular motions up and down and along the grooves in those pedals. The bristles get into all those rubber grooves that trap the dirt. This is where the magic happens. I always start scrubbing the least dirty pedals first and then do the dirtiest, in this case the brake pedal, last. By the way, if you like this video content, please like and subscribe, as it really helps me grow my channel. Wipe clean with a plush microfiber cloth or towel. And use the old towels as you remove them to wipe the carpet dry.
Just look at this transformation. Clean pedals aren't just about looks, they're about safety too. Now, if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more car cleaning hacks. Click here for your next video on car carpet cleaning, and I'll see you there.